In this video, we're gonna talk about how the Incense Trail Talisman works in Black Myth Wukong. So firstly, we're gonna talk about what it does. Now, the Black Myth Wukong game has Keeper's Shrines to save progress and refill health, mana, and gourd, okay? So, if you ever played Elden Ring, this is similar to Elden Ring's Sites of Grace, where Keeper Shrines are spaced far apart with enemy-filled paths between them, okay? Now the Incense Trail Talisman solves this by instantly teleporting you to the last used Keeper's Shrine, okay? And you get no penalties for using it. You lose no will and no skill points, okay? Now, this is therefore great for retreating when in a difficult situation, under attack, or something like this. Now, if you've been wondering how to acquire the talisman, it's actually automatically obtained after you interact with the first Keeper's Shrine. And the first shrine is located in the Front Hills area of the Forest of Wolves, a sub-region which is basically the starting area of Black Wind Mountain, okay? Now you'll receive a notification when you acquire it, but you must equip it to use it. And therefore, I'm gonna tell you how to equip it right now. Now, you have to pause the game and go to the Equipment tab. There, you have to click on one of the 4 on-hand slots, which is located in the bottom left of the screen to the right of the gourd slot, and then you have to select the Incense Trail Talisman by clicking on it or pressing the E key. Then you have to close the equipment menu and use the mouse scroll wheel to select the Talisman on-hand slot, okay? And then to activate the talisman, you simply have to press Q, and that's it. So, in-game use, about the in-game use, the destined one, will be teleported to the last visited Keeper's Shrine. So once you press Q and activate it, you'll be teleported to the last visited Keeper's Shrine. And it can even be used during combat, which is great. So, one thing you have to be aware of though, is that teleportation will fail if you're attacked during the activation animation. It's not a long animation, however, if you're under attack, it will get cancelled and you'll have to do it again once you're not attacked. So, I hope this video helped you out and you now know how this works, and if it did, please subscribe to my channel and help me out as well.